So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's go with today's lesson. So I'm going to go there and just double click on it. And we will basically be working with packages today. Welcome everyone. Today we will be exploring package management and understanding dependencies using the NF package manager in Rocky Linux. We'll cover what a package manager is and how to install and search for packages and how to manage dependencies. Let's go. Okay, so what is the package manager? A package manager simplifies the process of installing, updating, and removing software. On Rocky Linux, we use RPM packages like RHEL, like rel. These packages are pre-built software bundles. DNF, Dandified Jam, is the improved version of Jam, offering better performance and enhanced dependency management. So let's go with the first commands that we want to run today. We want to check on this one, for example, DNF search Apache. Let's go ahead and do our best running this command and see if we are able to get some information from it. So let me just do that. And is downloading the package at this specific moment. So for the Apache server, while it does that update and download, let me go ahead and go back to the guide for a moment. And we are going to look for all Apache packages. So I'm going to copy this, and once it's completed, we are going to run the following command, which will be dnf space search space all space Apache. So let's go ahead and copy that one, and hopefully we will be able to install it in the next couple of seconds. Okay, it is not that heavy. So let's just wait patiently. I'm going to pause the recording just in case because it is taking more time than expected. So those packages completed, I'm going to run another one so we can get more packages if required. I think we got most of the packages, so we should be all good to go at this moment. Let me go ahead and continue with the guide. So I'm going to look for the Emacs packages. Emacs is like Nano editor. It should be similar to Nano. So let me go ahead and download those packages. Looks like we already have those packages installed. Let me try that. All right, they are downloading at this specific moment. So they are installing. In fact, we already have the packages, but at this moment we are installing those specific packages. So that is basically what we are doing, installing those packages. Let me go back to instructions and let's see something. We were able to search for the Apache packages and those were automatically installed. Now we have previously downloaded the Emacs somehow, maybe with the installation of the operating system, and we are installing those at this very moment. So let me go ahead and type Emacs in a couple of seconds there. Hopefully it will be ending in the next couple of minutes or second, depending on the download specific time and duration. I will pause the recording again. We will see if it continue downloading packages or not. Let's just wait patiently. I'm going to stop the recording for a moment so it finishes with the packages. Right here, it will ask a question. If yes or no, we are going to click on yes, of course, because we want to download the packages. And it gives us the download size, which is 39 megabytes. We already have 109 installed at this specific moment. So this is installing the rest of the packages that we need for the Emacs program to function correctly. It will take some time, but we have to be patient there. We got it. Nice, nice. Good job. I want to congratulate all of you because you have been doing an amazing job. Let's continue with copying and pasting this command now. And be patient because, I mean, it should give us a graphical interface with a, let me go ahead and do it, the Emacs in directly in the virtual machine. So let me just go there and try to run it there because maybe we want to run it there. I think it's like a graphical interface similar to Nano, but we're going to check on that right now in a couple of seconds. It's taking some time. It's taking a little bit of time. We need to go to the terminal and try to run Emacs. So let's do that. Activities and then the terminal. It will be opening. Let me just close this so we can have a better view. Okay, I'm going to minimize the window and let's type Emacs to see if we are able to get the information. All right, nice. Yes, basically it's a manual with instructions on how to use Emacs, tutorials and all that. Very interesting. To start, open a file. All right, so maybe I need to create a file so we can actually, I'm wondering if we are able to create a file with Emacs, and then file one. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay. All right. It really didn't create it, but it gives us the graphical interface and we can actually save it here and create it. So let's just type some information. This is a test file. Okay, we are currently working in Rocky Linux. Rocky Linux 9. There you go. Nice work. All right, let me try to save it there. File and then save. Wondering if we are able to see the file being saved or what is going on here. Save as. Okay, it is saved as file one. Looks like. Let me just double click there. And yes, we want to override it just in case. And I'm going to close it. Just close it and check on something. Now, what happened if we click ls? We have file one there. What happened if we click cat file one? There you go. The information is there, successfully added. Nice. We are learning about Emacs today. Let's continue with the step-by-step guide. So we were able to download dependencies and packages. If we want to go with the following command, which is, let me just open this a little bit. If we run man dnf, we will be able to find more information regarding DNF and how to use it correctly and learning more about it. In fact, we might be able to run in a few commands later on during this lab. So I'm going to show you that, guys, in a moment. Let me just stop sharing the video for a minute so we can focus in the content. Okay, remember we can use space to go page by page and studying these different options that we have. There you go, until we get to the end. It is a lot of information. Let me go ahead and quit from this interface. And let's go ahead and go back to the terminal. So the next thing we are going to do is the wget. We're going to run this command. It's a utility to download files from the web. So let me just copy this and try to download it. If we don't have previously downloaded that one, I don't think we did. I think I typed the password too fast and it got incorrect password, but now we got it. It looks like it is already installed. We have previously installed this dependency at some point, so we don't need to worry about that for now. Let's go ahead and check the version that we have for that. Let me go ahead and check on that. And it is actually looks like an old version from 2015, so maybe that is the latest version that we currently have. And it seems interesting. It is actually the 2.21.1 built on Linux GNU. All right, you're right, all right. It's very nice how we can actually check on packages and all that. So remember that if we run sudo jump install updates, we were able to install the packages, but now it is sudo dnf install update. Let me just go ahead and double check this because maybe there is something different in order to install the packages. So let me just check on the instructions. So how do we, the first question is, how do we update packages? How do we update packages in Rocky Linux? Let's go ahead and do some research there. And it is actually with this upgrade, sudo dnf upgrade command. So we have to run this one, dnf check update. Then let me go ahead and copy on this one. That will be the first one. There you go. We are able to check packages to see if there are any pending packages. Now with the upgrade, sudo dnf upgrade, we are able to upgrade some packages that needs to be upgraded. There you go. We are downloading the packages. Now with the first one is basically to check if there is any update that we need to install in those specific packages. And with the second one, we are doing an upgrade for the packages that are already installed in our operating system. So that is basically what we are doing at this moment. It's taking some time, but it is going pretty fast after all. You can see it is up at 44%. So hopefully it will be over very, very soon. And we will be over with the class. We will be finishing the class. I'm going to stop the recording because it's taking some time, but I will let you know as soon as we are finished downloading these packages. So we are getting to the end of this lesson. We are finishing. Right now, I just want to double check on something because there should be a way to check it if a specific package is already installed. So let me go ahead and Emacs, for example. It is actually with the grep command. If we type dnf and then list and then space install pipe, then grep, then Emacs, we are able to see there that the Emacs packages were previously installed at some point. So that is basically when you want to check if a specific package was downloaded. What about the nano? There you go. All right, guys, this is everything for today's lessons, boys and girls. It's been a pleasure to work with you along a new lab, learning how to download the packages, install those packages, and learning a little bit more about Rocky Linux operating system. So it's been a pleasure, really. Take care, guys, and have an amazing week. Remember to keep on practicing as much as you can and go over the lesson and do it yourself. That's the best way to learn and improve. Take care.